back. This video we continue on our learning SPARQL book. In this PowerPoint page, you can see here we are moving to next subchapter. We will combine the searching string, what could be wrong, these two into this not quite long video. I hope we can go to this briefly. Then the more detail is we will explain in the chapter 2. So again, it's my reference information is put in the GitHub in my repository, and you can see our the repo called learn underscore the SPARQL. So those is the thing is we will have those information can be put together. So let's check. I can show you here. If you go to the Learn SPARQL, in the root part, you can see this mind map structure, and on every paragraph is called subfolder. Is called based on the chapter. On this first chapter, you can also see the more detailed expansion about this chapter's mind map. The detailed mind map, if you want to have the interactive way to see that, you can install the free plan, this open source tool. Then you can see, like me, you can open this file, and then I have put the exercise, including the data file and the query file, linking to the every chapter. For example, last video we talked about 5 samples files that link to this 01, 03. And for this chapter, subchapter, we will talk about the exercise 021st and exercise 023rd. So that will give you our reference to see. And if you want to check the detail, the content, then you can come to the repository. So those contents are here. So I already put those file here. So again, it's you need to install the free plan file, then to have this file. And also, if you got chances, please go to the online shop to buy this book, so that we can have more reference altogether. Since as I show you here, it should be good if you go to this paper book, then you can highlight something which I also emphasized here. So for this subchapter, I show you here on the screen is the searching for string. So what if you want to check a piece of data? So until this subchapter, we just search like here. So we search select these 2 variables, and those variables just browse all of your this query data file, then list down all the things back to you when they match those triples. But if you just want a partial of the data or piece of the data, and you don't even know what subject or properties might have, that would be better is you have some criteria to put into your the query file. So this 21 is our first sample. We will mention that in the chapter 3 when we go more elaborate on how you can structure your query or SPARQL query. So the difference, if you compare to this exercise 019, is not only the triple. So you still have the triple like this. You all of them you have this wild selection. So you, one thing is I can mention here is you can put all these 3 parts with the question mark, which means you can put that as the variable. And the different thing is we add our filter keywords, and using this regular expression ways to check is anything that the object match the triple with a string Yahoo in anywhere. So that is the thing is I put this here. So if I clear or put here, then you can see if I put, because I already have this from, this is using the 12 as the TTL. So you can just see a ARQ is a query with EX020 first RQ. Then if you put this kind of the query, what you get is this just the last name is right, and he has the the information with the Yahoo. So those are the thing is a PO. So let's see. So that is the EX. I put is GHT. So let's put Yahoo. So let's go to here. So you go this Craig Ellis. Again, it's in my 12 TTL. I have add just another sample paragraph additional to this third paragraph. I just add another person who has a first name same as Craig but different last name. Then I have a 4 person, but this just the data parts. What we have this 21st. The query is we check is any the triple has those data with the Yahoo in anywhere. So if you want to see who has the maybe is our telephone number with this 245 as the area code. So let's see. So 245. Let's see, 245. Let's write this. You will get another one. So you can see you get this triple. But this triple is since we load this to this 12. So that is the triple like this way. But if let's back to here. So if I back to the 002, so let me use that. Query, so there's no, let's see, so I will need to remove this one. Yeah, now you can see if I don't go from the 12, I go to the our original, the very simpler the turtle file. So that has let me change that to the Yahoo as well. Again. So you can see now compared to here, because the turtle is 12, we the subject is always the ID. But the turtle 002, the subject actually is the name and the property and the property value. So this is more user-friendly, but actually that is not what we are going to use in the more complicated the RDF file. Well, we will prefer to use this 012 the file, but there is not difference to this kind of searching the string. And then this let's moving on. So before move to the next subchapter, so searching for string, actually they have some more the linkage. I mentioned the filter. So if you later on we learn to this 03 chapter, we will learn filter in this number 8. So filter data based on some condition. So that is our part. Is if you expand the chapter 3, you can see here I give you some the linkage. One is go to the filter, and another is go to filter and linking to the regular expression. So we will also learn regular expression during these filter parts. So those are something is we will come to that later. And let's see what will be possible go wrong on this 23rd. So we know is we have some data we can get if I just comments the last one. So if I put the query with this 03, let's see what you will get. You will get the correct email, because we want to see who has the those email. The first name is Craig, second mail is Alice, and we will put the Craig's email and hometown. So those are the on this exercise 12. But what if is first is if we want to have this one as the sample. You can see here, if I want to add this hometown, so let me run this. You will get our empty. So the reason for empty is if we analyze this 12 data. So who has the Craig and Alice as the first name, last name, and I want to see their email. That email is fine, but what's the whole hometown? But Craig Alice doesn't has any hometown. So that's why is if I don't have this number 4 line, the hometown column is just our empty variable. It still can show you the result because it can matching these first three triple. But if I have adding this last triple, there's nothing can match all. So please bear in mind is in SPARQL, you need to ensure all the triples can be matched. So to solve this issue, actually we introduced the option keywords, optional. So once you put is something you don't make sure is it have, then you can add optional. So that means is I want to have the old email address for our person's first name Craig, last name Alice, and if this person has our hometown, it means option, so means if, then I will also export this hometown. If this person doesn't have a hometown in this triple under optionals, this curly braces, then I don't want it show up, but I still want to show the result from the this mandatory triple. So those things is also the important the keywords that we will also learn later. So if you come back to here, so here is what could be go wrong. I also give you a link, so you can see here, go to option. If you right click the link, then left click this go to option, it will jump to here. So that means is we will discuss the optional the keywords in chapter 3, number 2 subchapter. So Okay, so I hope it's for this video we give you some ideas on how you will have the capability to search a string and how to handle the error if there's nothing happened, and you can make a certain triple within the optional so that it's not poison your whole the searching string. Okay, so hopefully you can also demo yourself on this 21, 23 two samples yourself. And next video, we will talk about how to query the public data source. So see you then. Bye.